What is up, guys? So in this video we're gonna be talking about dictionaries. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So first, let's go ahead and give it a name. Let's say fruits. Okay, until now we have been seeing the list with these square braces and then tuples with round, and this one it's gonna have this curly bracket. So yeah, unlike list and tuples, in dictionaries you do not have anything called index. So what we have is what we call as key, and the way we access an item is by using those keys. So and then those keys are totally user defined, so you can define each key and you have to. So if you're adding a new item to a dictionary, you have to add a key and then you just have to add the value to that specific key. So let's say you want to add the fruits and then their values, I mean their prices. So let's go ahead and do mango, and then you can even have the keys as integers, so or numbers, whatever. So you can have anything around. Okay, let's say it has 200, and then uh, orange it has 300, and then apples you have 900. And just to show you, I'll be using an integer. Wait, I'll take something small, 8, and then let's give it a value. Let's have a string, something. Okay, now since we don't have any index in dictionary, the way we access an item is by using the key, and then the way we do it is first by giving the name, and then we use these square brackets, and then we just write the key that we want to have the value of. So now if I write mango, it's gonna give an error because what we write here is a non-string, but this is a string, so we need to write what we have used in the dictionary. So mango, and then it should give us 200. There we have it. Now let's say you want to have this 8, and then you run, it's gonna say something. Okay, that's how you print key and the values of a dictionary. Now let's say okay, so how do you add an item to a dictionary? So how do we add? So in dictionary you do not have those two functions, those remove and append functions. So the way you add a new key and value is first giving the name, and then you give these square brackets, and then inside of the brackets you just give the key that you want to have the value of. So let's say I want pairs, and then you give this equal sign, and then you assign the value. So let's say 560. Okay, and now when you print fruits, you're gonna see pairs as the last item with its key and the value. So let me zoom in a bit. So this is the key and this is the value. Okay, now the way you delete an item, there are a couple of ways, but I'll show you two of the ones that I generally use. So the way you delete an item is first giving the name, and then dot, you use pop, and then these round brackets, and then you just write the key. So let's say I want to remove the orange. Okay, and then let's say I'm going to print fruits. Okay, now this dictionary won't have any orange and won't have this 300, so everything related to this is gone. Okay, so there's this another way you can do. So by using del, yeah, I think that's how you do. And then you write fruits, and then I think you use this, and then you just write the key. So if I write mango, should work though. I haven't used this quite a while. So print and then fruits. So that this should, yeah. So now you do not have any mango. So that mango and this 200 is pretty much gone. So yeah, I think that's it for dictionary. You can use this in loops, which I'll be covering in my later videos. So there you can understand how in complex programs how we add a key and a value in a dictionary. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, thanks for watching.